Hey guys, this is a summary video for my performance year to date. Stay around. I'm going to walk you through every trade and then show you my full year to date performance breakdown in my analyzer tool. Since we are at the end of June, halfway through the year, I thought it should be a good idea to make a video which covers my performance so far for this year. A lot of stuff happened during that period, like explosive AI-driven earnings, tensions in the Middle East initially spiked oil prices and caused geopolitical anxiety. Now, diving in my performance for this year, as you can see on my analyzer tool, all is green. Trades went really good, can't complain. $13,633 realized profit from options trading before commissions, and $7,385 realized profit from stock trading. That's pretty good, and I'm very happy with that. For the commissions, I paid $1,301 for the options trading and $48 for the stock trading. Moving on to the portfolio summary section. You can see here that we realized a total profit of $21,018, which is a 41.83% return. That's awesome result for 6-month performance, right? Here is to this happening again the next half of the year. We can see on the graph that the biggest gains came from Google and SPX. On Google, the biggest gains came from getting assigned for my covered call, so I realized $7,261 gain when the shares were called away when Google went ballistic a few months ago. The biggest gain so far came from my SPX 0DTE Iron Condor strategy. We gained $9,115 of profit there. Moving on the performance by ticker section, we can see other trade details. I'm not going to go through all of them, but the most important ones. We see for ticker symbol CCJ, we got $1,119 of profit, 4 wins, 0 losses. Ticket symbol RKLB, we got $1,234 of profit. Again, 4 wins, 0 losses. Now I want to show you guys a new feature which I added to this analyzer tool, which is the calendar view. Here again, you can upload your activity statements from Interactive Brokers CSV, and it will show you a summary for each month. You can go at the profile menu and then click on Trading Calendar. There you can upload your activity file and Viola. This is the view I was talking about. Right at the start, it will show the most recent month. As you can see, for June, pretty much a green month. I made $2,500. Let's check by scrolling back on previous months. On May was this big gain of $9,300. This was mostly due to my Google shares called away and realized the profit on that. On April, I had the biggest loss of $3,310. Due to my other trades, I almost ended the month of April flat, but yeah, this was the only red month for me so far. For March, also green, mostly with a profit of $4,450. February, also very nice with all green trades and a profit of $2,940. And finally, for January, also very nice with a profit of $2,210. If you judge only from my trades, then I am definitely doing very well. But now comes the dark side. Let's move into my brokerage account. You can see my performance year to date. I was doing great until May, where I was 34%, but then June happened. And funny thing is, it's not from my trades. As you saw, I did great there. But then my other strategies for picking the long-term investment, they are not doing great right now. You can see that all in all, I am up 14% when S&P 500 is up 7%. So still beating the market, but yeah, not by a large amount. Let's check now the famous holdings. You can see my biggest holding is Google. I got assigned 100 shares when I was selling cash secured puts at $385 perhaps. I don't remember anymore. But now the stock has fallen another 12%, so I am currently on the red there. I am not too worried as I intend to keep Google long term, but still annoying to see it in red. Next big one was Rocket Lab. I got assigned here also 100 shares when selling cash secured puts. I sold at strike price $131. And believe it or not, now the stock price is $84. Crazy swing. I want to start selling covered calls on Rocket Lab soon, but I will wait till the stock approaches the $100 mark, as at the current price, the premium is not worth it. Next big one is the ticker BTCI, the Bitcoin ETF. This thing tracks Bitcoin performance, and Bitcoin itself has been doing very bad. So here I am also in the red. I still have faith though, so I will keep doing my strategies and see how far I can get and see if I can achieve the huge milestone of $100,000. Oh, and just to let you know, guys, I will be stopping the weekly update as it's too much effort for me at this moment, so I will be doing monthly portfolio update from now on. Anyways, if you are wondering what approach I'm using on my portfolio, you can check my week 1 video where I explain the strategies I'm using in more details. You can find that and the link to the analyzer tool in the description below. If you find this interesting, hit subscribe and I will see you next month. Until then.